Today we are making Josh's deep fried tocino.
Because we're out of gas.
Yay!
It's been a holiday in the Philippines and the gas people aren't coming until this afternoon. I'm hungry now. I have to cut down on my swearing apparently. So, what's better than just normal tocino? Deep fried. Actually, it looks pretty good.
I've never had deep fried tocino.
Neither have I,
before,
because
actually.
it's already unhealthy as it is. So, we boiled eggs instead. That's going to make it healthy. There we go. We're evening it out. That's how you do it. You even that shit
I
out.
just hit my arm with the rice cooker. That's interesting. Yeah, cool, huh?
Yeah, should put your hand in there, Bev, see what happens.
I know, right? Ha ha ha. That is so funny. Yay!
Alright, that is almost done to completion. That's actually a lot quicker and a lot less time consuming than cooking normal tocino, so
Is it?
it's actually, yeah. I can't see it's going to be healthy though, it's just oil and trapping the sugar in. That actually looks pretty good.
I actually agree with David. The last time I made tocino, I burnt everything down.
Yeah, we're not getting you to cook tocino again.
That just means I'm a really horrible cook. Well, we'll see how that turns out.
Yeah, we'll get back to you after we have a heart attack.
This is the turnout. Deep fried tocino. Some proper eggs.
Oh, it's not it.
Say it again.
Not it.
Ooh.
It's good. That's actually good. It cuts down having to wash up a frying pan.
Awesome. So,
Just cuts off about a year of your life too for that deep fry.
yay! So apparently deep fried tocino is going to be a new thing. And I wonder why we've never done this before.
I don't know why no one does this. Well, they probably do. It's probably a secret that everyone else knows except for me.
Me too. Yay! Breaking!
Oh, it's good.